Hello, in this video we will convert the given data into a line graph here. So what is line graph means? A line graph is a simple graph that shows the results in the form of lines here. Okay, the graph in the form of lines here. So to create this line graph we need a series of points represented by x and y coordinates aligned with connect these points. Basically why we have to use this line graph means, suppose if you look into this employee.csv, there is age column is a salary column is a. So if you want to know the relation between the two columns, we have to draw this line graph. Okay, so that means during the course of time what have changed. Okay, to find out the difference we have to draw this line graph here, simple. Okay, to find out the relation between the two columns, simple words. Okay, one column we have to take an x-axis, another column we have to take an y-axis, right? So with simple example we will see how we will draw a line graph here. Okay, so write a program to create a line graph to show the profits of a company in various years. Okay, we have to draw the line graph to show the profits of a company in various years, how much profits has given. Okay, the data has here simple years, here profits. Okay, years has 2015-21 and profits, and we have to draw the line graph for this given data. One have to take an x-axis and another take as y-axis. Okay, to find out the relation between the two columns we have to draw this line graph in simple words. Okay, we have to remember that. Okay, now here are. Okay, and right, and we have to draw the line graph. To draw the line graph we have to use a plot function from this matplotlib library, alias name. We have to use this plot function in library, matplotlib library. There is a plot function will be there. In plot function we have to pass this years, profits. Okay, and give some color, blue color. Okay, blue. This profits in lakhs here. Okay, some millions in here. Okay, and in my millions profits here. Okay, just execute it now. So if you want to display the line graph you have to use a show function here, simple plot.show. Right, just execute it. See, observe your line graph. Okay, line graph, this is the x-axis, years, and y in profits. If you want to display the years profits in the line graph we have to use x label and y label function for that. So plot dot x label years. Okay, right, years here. Here is the profit here. Okay, in millions, profit in millions here. So we have to display here millions or profits. X label, y label. Give some profits. Okay, profits, some profits. Okay, and to display the title of your line graph just use the title function, plot dot title. Some xyz company, whatever, xyz company, xyz company, whatever here. Okay, just execute it. Right, and observe here. So by observing this line graph here, in 2000 compared to all years, 2019 has maximum profits here. Observe 13 million profits here. Okay, 13 million rupees like that. In and 2021 is the lowest one. 2020 is the lowest one. Okay, 2015 was 9. Okay, so to relation between the years and profits over the during the course of time, how much profits have changed here. To know such kind of relationship we have to draw this line plot here. Okay, line graph. Okay, using the plot function in the matplotlib library, there is a plot function there. Using that you can draw the line graph. So to know the difference between the means to know the relation between the two columns. Okay, during the course of time, what have changed. So to know that kind of relation between them you have to draw this line graph. Okay, as simple as that. Simple. In the next video we will see the scatter plot. Okay, scatter plot.